What do you like to use your blender for? Smoothies, nut butters, soups, or just something quick when you're on the go after the gym? Whatever your go-to is, the right blender can make all the difference. Today we are comparing two top-tier blenders from Vitamix, the classic 5200 and the feature-packed Ascent X5. Both are powerful, both are pricey. But they offer very different experiences in your kitchen, especially when it comes to smart features and everyday convenience. Hi, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. Let's take a look. Both blenders crushed our tests. The 5200 handled frozen fruit, greens, and nut butters like a pro. Though we had to use the tamper with thicker blends. The X5 matched its power but added presets for smoothies, soups, and more. Just press a button and let it run. We gave both a 10 out of 10. The 5200 keeps it old school with a switch and a dial, effective but not automated. The X5 steps up with a digital touchscreen, 10 smart presets, and self-detect tech that knows which container you're using. It also has a built-in cleaning cycle, while the 5200 does fine with warm soap and water. The X5 scored a 9, while the 5200 came in at an 8. Both blenders are very loud, each around 95 decibels, but stay firmly planted on the counter. The 5200's tall pitcher makes it tricky to store under cabinets. The X5 is shorter, sleeker, and supports multiple container sizes. The X5 earned a 9, and the 5200 scored a 7. So why does the X5 cost so much more? You're paying for tech. Smart presets, self-detect, touchscreen controls, a timer, and more compatibility make the X5 feel like a modern kitchen upgrade, not just a blender. The 5200 runs around $480, while the X5 is closer to $650, depending on the retailer. If you love hands-on blending with big power, the Vitamix 5200 is a classic for a reason. But if you want a smarter, easier, more modern experience, the Ascent X5 is worth the upgrade. Once again, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. Let us know your go-to blend in the comments and check out the links below for the latest pricing.